What's up, guys and girls? I'm back again with another video. Today I'm not gonna talk or say anything. I'm just gonna ask a few questions. It's extremely mind-boggling. It's about the dome structure and the flat earth again. Do I believe there's a dome? Yes, I do. Is it a glass structure that you can physically feel? I don't. I don't believe that there is a glass structure around the planet or the earth or whatever you might call it. Okay, so I've got a couple of questions written down here. I've actually got it next to this phone, just there in that space. Okay, so first question would be, how big is this dome? Because I'm in South Africa and there's a lot of people on the other side of the flat earth, and why doesn't this dome buckle, curve, bend or do anything? I mean, I look up at the sky and I just see a blue sky. At night I see stars, so that would mean everything should be inside this dome. Question number 2, why hasn't anybody flown to this dome? Not even with a drone. I mean, show me something that you can have. I mean, they got all these electronic equipment, they've got domes, they've got drones, they've got radio control cars, planes, boats, you name it, they got it. They even got nowadays robots the size of a fly. And you telling me nobody in their right mind has ever done anything to actually go there? How can I believe that? Okay, anyways, that's question number 2. Number 3, okay, no one can visit the South Pole, so why just not go around it? Now, a couple of guys on YouTube actually asked this question themselves. I mean, you put a boat somewhere along the border where you can park a boat on the water at the pole, close to the pole, close enough, and then take a jet and fly around it. If it's the earth is flat, and then the pole should the South Pole should be quite a long flight, you know, and then just come back to the boat. But if it takes you like a couple of hours, then that should prove the earth is round and not flat. Obvious. Okay, number 3, so the moon and the sun is inside the dome. That means we have to have atmosphere around them. Come on, that's what I believe. Why hasn't any civilians gone to take close-up pics of the moon? I mean, it's there. You want to make us believe that the moon is inside the dome. The dome is that high and that big. So go take pics. Go for it. Bring me back video footage. Show somebody in a hot air balloon or a helium balloon touching the dome. Boop, boop, boop. Easy as that. Okay, here's a good one. Why does commercial airlines fly south to get to other southern continents instead of flying north? I mean, I'm in South Africa. If I want to go to Australia, the flight will go south. They will not go north. North meaning you got the globe there. I will be right there, and at the other end, so round about one of these edges as well, Australia would be there. Why does the plane fly all the way around, wasting time, money, fuel, everything? Why not straight down? Bob's your uncle, Sally's your aunt. Stupid. By the way, sharpshooters do not account for the curvature of the earth when they shoot, due to the curvature being there when they set up their scope. Logic. Okay, another thing that has already been mentioned in YouTube videos previously, explain why water rotates one way in the south and another way in the north. Like, you can literally point your camera down into your toilet pot, flush it. If you're in the northern hemisphere, it will go one way, and you get a buddy in the southern hemisphere, do the same thing, and his toilet will flush that way. And please explain. If we're all rotating in one direction, it's not like the center space is going one direction and the outer is going other direction. Stupid, man. Okay, I'm in South Africa. I wake up in the morning and I see the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. And winter, it rises in the east and sets in the west. So I'm like in the southern hemisphere. So if the earth was flat, then I should be seeing the sun rising in like a northeasterly direction, making like a curve somehow, and then setting in a northeasterly direction. That's just like what my logic says. Okay. The earth is flat. Who lives on the other side? Has anybody dug through it yet? Why has nobody been there yet? I mean, hundreds of years, nobody's ever gone there yet. Okay. Here's a good one. They tried, well, let's just call it America tried to nuke the dome, right? Why would they want to put nuclear weapons in the middle of the dome where the highest arch is? Why not go to the South Pole where the dome would actually be closer, spend less money on nuclear warhead material and all that stuff? Why not just fucking make a bomb, put it down next to the dome, boom, Bob's your Uncle Sally's you on. I mean, come on, shooting a nuclear weapon straight up at the where it should be, the apex of the dome. Just go to the North Pole. I mean, the South Pole, sorry, go to the South Pole, get closer to the dome edge and bomb it. Okay guys, that's my video. If you like it, thanks. If you don't like it, don't like it. I'm out. Peace guys.